In this video, I have demonstrated how to view the item to order and received report in ERP. First, navigate to the buying module and open the item to order and received report. Begin by selecting the company filter to display the relevant data. The report provides complete information about items that need to be ordered and received, including the material request, date required by date, item code, item name, description, UOM, Stock UOM, quantity in Stock UOM, ordered quantity, received quantity, quantity to be received, quantity to be ordered, and company. This concludes the demonstration of the item to order and received report.